What's up, guys? Today I am in West Palm Beach. I just dropped off one of my apartment, I don't want to call her my roommate, but one of the ladies that lives next door in one of the rooms over there. She's the French chef. She's doing some day work over here in West Palm. And I was initially just supposed to take her to the train station, which is only 2 miles away from the house. And we missed the train by about a minute. So, and I was kind of the cause of it, because I had to like throw up. I had to park the car and throw up in the middle of the road because of a burger and alcohol combination that I had last night. But I think it was just the burger. It would have sat in my belly all night long. I probably won't go eat at that place again anyways. Yeah, so we're here. We're at West Palm. Let's take a look down this dock right here, huh? And yeah, she's working on a boat about similar to that size right there. And yeah, it's starting to get real. You know what I mean? I'm here now. But yeah, so today I'm not sure what's going on. Got to get some rest today. Not really feeling, haven't really been sleeping the best in about 4 days. And yeah, just we'll see. I'm gonna drive back. It's about an hour drive, maybe a little bit longer, hour and 10 minutes drive back to the crew house. And yeah, I feel like all I've been doing since I got here is just driving and stuff. But yeah, see you later. We'll see what happens today. Not exactly sure. Just keep it simple. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, on the way back down to Fort Lauderdale, going back to the crew house. Just want to say something about you know, the French chef I just dropped off, Sophie. You know, I get a lot of very, very useful information from these guys and gals who have been in this business for a while. You know, I'm luckily to be blessed with, you know, she been doing, Sophie, the French chef, been doing it about 10 years. The other French girl, she's been doing it for about 6 years. The Long Island kid been doing it about 4 or 5 years. So you got one bosun, one chief stewardess, one head chef, one other chef, and I'm just learning so much from these people. You know what I mean? I've been asking so many questions, and I've been trying to ask these questions to people. Well, I hadn't really nobody to ask these questions to. You know, it's like the only thing I could do is go on YouTube, and I had come across a channel. I believe the guy's name was Jared Watney, and he does a pretty in-depth kind of lifestyle of what it's like being on a yacht, what work entails, you know, and he does a very good editing as well. Mine is pretty much shit compared to what's, you know, out there. I'm just trying to provide some content and just trying to be a real motherfucker, you know, so yeah, but I'm just learning so much, and I get a lot of different opinions about, say, like a specific subject, where like they say yacht, what do you call them, the agencies, like some people swear by them, some people don't. Some people like working on bigger boats, some people like working on smaller boats. It's like, I guess, yeah, this is one of those things where you gotta find your own kind of rhythm and niche. Like you gotta be comfortable where you're at, you know. And even for me, I'm still dealing with trying to just be comfortable in my own bed, in a sense. It's not even my own bed, but in the crew house, right? Currently, my Long Island roommate, he is in Mexico at the Departure Festival, and now it's just me and 2 girls in the room. And there's another girl who's in a private room, and her husband just came back in last night. He's a sweetheart, I can tell already, man. Peruvian dude, name is Nestor. Good fucking guy, man. Anyways, it's just weird for me to be bunking with two ladies, you know? Like, I don't want to be waking them up and fidgeting and coughing through the night and, you know what I mean, farting and burping, whatever. I'm used to having my own fucking door to close and my own noise to make, you know, and put my own noise canceller on, like a fan or fucking music or whatever, what have you. But yeah, I'm learning to just try to get comfortable, and it's a process for me. I'm 37 years old. You know, maybe if I was, 22, straight out of college, living in dorm life, I'd be like all right with this, you know. And I am all right because my roommates are super clean, super chill, everybody's super friendly, and that's huge. You know, if I would have walked into an apartment where it was super dirty, it says party central, you know, you can't even, eat on a clean fucking plate or anything like that, I would have been miserable from the first minute. But yeah, it's all working out good so far. I'm on like day 4, I think, in the house. I got here Monday, so what's today? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I think today's Thursday. I'm really not sleeping well. You know, I'm not gonna lie. Sleeping has been hard for me. You know, it comes down to me trying to respect other people's like space, you know, and me not making noise and waking them up, what have you. But anyways, I'm heading back to the room. I'm gonna do some, nothing crazy. I'm gonna get an oil change. I gotta go down to these agencies soon, so probably in the next day or two, we're gonna take a walk into these agencies. We're gonna see what it's about. Okay, we're gonna get our cards in order, and I heard from an experienced yachty guy at a bar last night about just basically being honest and being, building yourself up as best as you can. Don't try to lower their expectation. Basically raise your own expectations for yourself. Make yourself sound good as you can. Don't just be like, oh, I'm not that good at this and I'm not that great at that. Just say that you're good at what you are. Don't be as honest as you can, is what he said. So I'm gonna head in there the next day or two. We'll see what today brings. I'm probably gonna pick up Soph from the train station at about 5 or probably sometime after 5. And yeah, eventually get some day work, eventually hopefully get work on a boat, and yeah, we'll start this adventure off. But in the meantime, it's just the daily grind, just survival mode for now, staying alive. Ha, 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 ha. Staying alive, surviving, eating. Alright, check you later. So, me and Sophie went to West Palm Beach today. I was the reason she missed her train, so by a minute. And this was a gift from her crew for her job today. And she's giving it to me, I think. What we got, Sophie? Tell me.
This is a cookies, special cookies for Lodorate, okay? And we have a chocolate inside. Okay, and this is a cookies too, but is a more soft. This you can take with a tea, okay? Not tea, same the tea. Tea with a T-H-A-R. Not this guy.
Not Bahamas.
Voilà.
Not Bahamian tea.
And after, you have a bread, same to the bread to the French, or maybe Italy, but speciality is the French. This, okay? You can make a bruschetta. You know bruschetta? You can make with this bruschetta. Okay? With olive oil, but a real olive oil Italiano. Okay? Alors, this is a potato sweet potato. Okay? Voilà. It's a simple, but you can cook for the dessert with this. And this, and we have a cracker for the cheese. Bonsoir. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir, madame.
Mademoiselle. And this is alors. When I make a day work, is a special. The day work is the man is a special fisher. Alors look at this. Look at this. This.
Oh my God.
You cannot see, but this is a fish. Real fish not surami. Look at this. With olive oil, garlic, well, simply. Regarde. This is entire long. The fish is a merlin, you know? Merlin.
Marlin.
Marlin.
Ah, I got some of that shit.
And look at this too. No. Wow. And they have the porks. This is for make a bolognese. And this is for porks. You know? I don't know if you see this. But voilà. Voilà, voilà, voilà. This yacht, the yacht is a community, okay, on all the world. He's from to Caroline du Nord. I'm from to Paris. The man tea, but is not tea for tea. Is a tea. Is from to Bahamas, okay. But together make a good meals. But you are not here. Sorry about that. Voilà.
Cool, Sophie.
De rien. Stopping.
Thank you. So yeah, Sophie just blessed this house big time. I'm gonna be trying to chef up some penne alla vodka, some grilled chicken breasts, cook for the mates, and yeah, see if I can win them over. You know what I'm saying? T. Charles, you're gonna give me some knowledge soon, right? Not right
Sir.
now. All right, but yeah,
Sir.
tell your people you got something coming for them.
You got something coming. You got some good stuff coming. And yeah, just stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Yeah. Yeah, stay tuned, my friends. All right. Well, we'll see what dinner looks like, and yeah, in a little bit.